I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. Welcome to a special audiobook bonus series here on the AI Beginner podcast. Let's jump right back in and dive into Chapter 3. Chapter 3, The Invisible AI Around You. AI in your phone, car, emails, Netflix, and even your spam filter. Artificial intelligence can sound big and abstract, something happening in research labs, boardrooms, or sci-fi movies. But the truth is, AI has been quietly living in your pocket, your car, your apps, and even your inbox for years. You've been using it all along, you just didn't notice because it never introduced itself. Take your phone. Every time you unlock it with your face, that's AI recognizing you. When you take a photo and it automatically adjusts lighting, detects a smile, or blurs the background, that's AI doing real-time image processing. When you get a suggested reply to a text, that's AI predicting what you'll say next. Your email app? It's powered by AI too. Spam filters use machine learning to spot patterns in unwanted messages. If you've ever wondered how your email knows which messages are legitimate and which are a scam from a Nigerian prince, thank AI. It's seen millions of spam examples and knows exactly what trouble looks like. Your car? If it's a newer model, AI is helping there too. Lane detection, collision warnings, adaptive cruise control, all powered by algorithms trained on enormous amounts of driving data. Even GPS apps like Google Maps and Waze rely on AI to predict traffic, calculate the fastest routes, and reroute you in real time. And then there's Netflix. You've probably noticed that what it recommends often feels strangely accurate, like it knows what you're in the mood for before you do. That's no accident. Netflix's recommendation engine is one of the most sophisticated AI systems in the world. It doesn't just look at what you've watched. It compares your viewing habits to millions of others and constantly adjusts what it suggests. The funny part? Netflix reportedly tests thousands of thumbnail images for the same show to see which one you're most likely to click. If you're wondering why the same movie poster looks different on your account than someone else's, it's because AI custom-tailored it just for you. AI is everywhere, quietly pulling strings behind the curtain, not to manipulate, but to personalize. Everyday examples of how AI quietly improves your life. The amazing thing about AI is how seamlessly it's blended into ordinary life. You don't think of it as AI anymore. It's just the stuff that makes things work better. Take a look around your digital world. Voice assistants, Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant use natural language processing to understand you. Well, most of the time. They convert your spoken words into data, analyze your intent, and respond in a fraction of a second. It's easy to forget how mind-blowing that actually is. Photos and filters. When your phone recognizes a face, blurs a background, or color corrects automatically, that's AI enhancing your images in real time. The result? Everyone's a semi-professional photographer without ever touching a settings menu. Shopping recommendations. Whether it's Amazon suggesting customers also bought, or a clothing store showing you might like, AI is constantly learning your preferences. The goal isn't to be creepy, it's to reduce friction. If you buy cat food regularly, it knows you'll need more in a few weeks. Banking and security. AI detects fraud by looking for unusual patterns. If your card gets declined while you're traveling, that's AI being cautious. It can recognize when spending patterns don't match your usual behavior, often preventing a problem before you even notice. Smart homes. Thermostats that learn your schedule, lights that adjust automatically, and speakers that respond to your voice, all powered by AI learning your habits. It's convenient with a side of magic. Now, here's the part that really drives it home. I was listening to Spotify the other day while working on this very book and suddenly realized how much AI has changed, even that simple experience. My Discover Weekly playlist felt like it knew my mood better than I did. The songs weren't random. They were chosen by algorithms that analyze listening patterns, tempo, energy level, and even transitions between songs to keep you engaged. 10 years ago, I would have spent hours curating playlists by hand. Now, AI handles it automatically, not just for me, but for hundreds of millions of people at once. That realization stopped me for a moment. AI isn't something coming soon. It's already here, quietly improving the things we use every day, often in ways we don't notice until we pause to appreciate them. AI is like electricity in that way. We don't think about how the lights turn on, we just expect them to. But it wasn't always that way. At one point, electricity was new, strange, and even feared. Over time, it became an invisible backbone of modern life. AI is following the same path. Why it's not just for techies or sci-fi fans. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's a tech thing, something for engineers, coders, or science fiction enthusiasts. But that couldn't be further from the truth. You don't have to understand how an engine works to drive a car, and you don't need to understand every algorithm to use AI. What matters is knowing what it can do and what it can't, so you can use it to your advantage. AI has already become the great equalizer of productivity. It levels the playing field by giving individuals and small teams access to tools that used to require large budgets and specialized skills. Writers can brainstorm ideas faster. Teachers can create lesson plans in minutes. Small business owners can automate marketing and customer support. Artists can experiment with new styles without expensive software. That's why this era of AI isn't about replacing people. It's about enabling them. The people who thrive in the next decade won't be the ones who fear AI, but the ones who learn to work with it. Think of AI as your digital assistant that never sleeps. It can draft, analyze, organize, summarize, and brainstorm, but it still needs you to steer the ship. Your creativity, judgment, and experience are what give AI its direction. And that's the key difference between humans and machines. AI can predict, but it can't care. It can imitate understanding, but it can't feel purpose. That's where we come in. The future belongs to those who are curious enough to learn and humble enough to experiment. You don't need to become an AI expert, just someone who's willing to explore what's possible. So next time you open your favorite app, start your car, or scroll through your playlist, take a moment to appreciate the quiet intelligence running behind the scenes. AI doesn't need to announce itself to change your life. It's already doing it, invisibly, effortlessly, and everywhere. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. And while you're there, be sure to check out our awesome and affordable courses. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.